Good day everyone! So siguro may mga hangover pa tayo dun sa last video natin wherein we challenged Boss June if he can answer 4th grader math questions or math problems. So surprisingly, I received a lot of messages wherein they are asking or they are requesting to make a separate video or a separate session on how we can convert decimal numbers into fractions. So panoorin natin yung particular item na yun wherein we had so much fun on how to convert 0.2 into a fractions. Panoorin muna natin to. What is 0.2 in fraction form? You have 15 seconds. Go!
One and one half.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
So for today, I'll be having a few examples on how we can convert decimal numbers into fractions. Yalla, let's go. So if you have here 0.2, the example given or the problem given last time was 0.2. So how we can convert this one into a fraction? You can see here 0.2 in terms of the place value. 0.2 here is in the tenths value. So if I can rewrite 0.2 as 0.2 over 1, so to get rid of the decimal number, so you can multiply both numerator and denominator by 10. So in this case, you will have 2 over 10. So as you can notice, 2 over 10 is still not in the simplest form. So all you have to do is you have to find the greatest common factor or the GCF of your numerator and denominator. So what is the GCF of 2 and 10? So as you can see, 2 is still divisible by 2. So if I divide it by 2 there, and then divided by 2, 10 divided by 2. So the answer here is 1 over 5. So this is the answer for that particular questions during the challenge of Boss June. Now let's try some more examples here. So if I have 0.36, so as you can see, 6 here is in the hundreds the place value of 6 here is hundreds. So all you have to do is again 0.36 divided by 1. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 100. To get rid of the decimal, so 100. So in this case, you'll have what? 36 over 100. So as you can see also, 36 and 100 can still be simplified into a simplest form. So 36 is divisible by 4 and 100 is divisible by 4 also. So if I can divide both numerator and denominator by 4, so in this case, 36 divided by 4, you have 9, and then 100 divided by 4, that is 25. So this is our answer. So your final answer should be in the simplified form. So 9 and 25, they don't have a common factor already. So this is our final answer. So let's try another one. If I have here 0.125 divided by, okay, so in this case 5 is in the thousands place, so you have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 1000 over 1000. So in this case you have 125 over 1000. Okay, so the greatest common factor of 125 and 1000, as you can see, 1000 is divisible also by 125. So in this case, if I divide both numerator and denominator by 125, so that means this will have a final answer which is 1 over 8. Okay, so another example. If you have 0.3, so 0.3 in the place value is in the tenths place. So you just have to divide by 1. So get rid of the decimal. So times 10. So in this case, you have 3 over 10. So as you can see, 3 over 10 here is what? Is in its simplest form already, so no need to simplify it further because there's no common factor between 3 and 10. So this is our answer. Again, so let's try more. 0.175. So 0.1755 here in the thousands term, so you just have to divide by 1, get rid of the decimal place. 1000 is equal now to 175 over 1000. So in this case, you can see that 175 and 1000, the greatest common factor here is 25 over 25. So 175 divided by 25, that is 7. And 1000 divided by 25, so that is 40. Okay, so that is our answer there. Say you have 0.12. So what is 0.12 in its in the fraction form? So again, 2 is it's in the hundreds term, so you have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 100 here. So you will have now what? 12 over 100. Okay, but 12 and 100 are divisible by 4. So if I divide by 4 here and then divided by 4, so you will get now 3 over 25. So this will be our answer. Okay, so again, say 0.21. So 0.21, one, it's in the hundreds term again. So we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 100. So you'll have now 21 over 100. So in this case, 21 and 100, they don't have common factor. So this is an odd number, this is an even number. So odd number and even number will never have a common factor, so that will be our final answer. So 21 over 100. So in some cases, you will be given like 0.2222 like this. So that means it's non-terminating. So tuloy-tuloy lang siya, 0.2222. So how you can convert this one into decimal place? Into fraction form, sorry. So in this case, you can rewrite this one as 0.22, okay? Repeating or not terminating. So that means this one is, in its fraction form, it would be 2 over 9. So similarly, if you have 0.3333 or 0.33, okay? So you'll have here 3 over 9, but 3 over 9, so 3 is divisible by 3, and sorry, there is a common factor between your 3 and 9 there, so 9 is still divisible by 3, so divide both numerator and denominator by 3, you will have 1 over 3 there. So if you have 0.44, so again, it's simply 4 over 9, okay? And if you have 0.55, okay, repeating, so that means this is 5 over 9, and so on and so forth. So you have 0.88, you have 8 over 9 here, okay? And then say, what did we miss? Okay, let's say 0.66, okay, 0.66, you have here 6 over 9. But then again, 6 and 9, they have common factor, which is 3. So divide both numerator and denominator by 3. So you'll have 2 over 3 as our final answer here. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something from this episode. And again, please don't forget to watch, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you to get updated on our succeeding videos. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye.